Okay, welcome back to this lesson. In our previous lesson, I gave us a self-assessment test exercise, which read as follows. From the following details, prepare the first part of the balance sheet clearly showing the net assets. Now, that's the details: stock 5,000, land 25,000, bank overdraft 55,000, building 42,000, debtors 7,000, cash at hand 85, motor van 15,000, creditors 825, rent received in advance 15, fixtures and fittings 75. Okay, those were the details given. Now, in this question, we are not given number one, the name of the business. Number two, we are not given the date. So, in that case, you have to improvise on your own. So, let's answer this question. So, since I don't have the name, I'll improvise. I'll give this business a name, Temcos. So, here I'll say Temcos. Temcos is Z. There it will be balance sheet as at 31st. Now, 31st December, I assume it is in 2021. And remember, the first column there, it's a cost column. The second one is a dip column. And the last one is a net book value column. Here, if you want, you can put details here. There's no problem. Okay. Then the money is in quatrains. We just place the K so that we do not repeat. Okay. Remember that the first thing that's found in the balance sheet are fixed assets. So we are going to write fixed assets. Now, we even underline just as it has underlined itself. Then under fixed assets, what do we have? If we go and check there, we see that we have under fixed assets, we have land, building, motor van, fixtures and fittings. All these are fixed assets. So we have to record them in the order of permanence. To record them in the order of permanence, land will be recorded first, 25,000. Land is 25,000. So we are going to say land. We say land. How much is our land? 25,000. Now there, new. So I'll just leave it like that. Then I'll highlight 25,000 at the end there. Then I go. Next, what other asset am I going to record? Fixed asset, I mean, not just asset, but what other fixed asset am I going to record? Okay, I have got building. Of course, building will follow land. So I'll record there what? Building. Building. How much is our building? I saw it is 42,000. So I will write 42,000 like that. And at the end there, I'll still write 42,000. Okay, next, I know we have motor van there and fixtures and fitting. Automatically fixtures and fittings will come before motor van. How much is our fixtures and fittings? Let's check. Fixtures and fittings 75. So we are going to record 75 there. 75. And it will be 75 there. Okay, let's continue. Let's the last fixed asset we have is motor van. Motor van will always be last. Why? Because it's the easiest fixed asset to get out of the business. I saw motor van is 15,000. So I've written 15,000 there. 15,000. Okay. So I am done entering fixed assets. I'll have to find the total. What will be the total? I'll add all these. I'll add them. What is the total? The total is giving me how much? The total is giving me 89,500. Even here, I'll find the total, which will give me the same 89,500. So I have 89,500 there. The next thing I'll do is I'll enter current assets. Current assets. Now, Under current assets, what do I have? Let's go and check. I have got stock. So stock is a current asset, 5,000. I'll go and enter stock. So I'll say stock. Stock, how much? 5,000. Now I said the names are in the above, columns, on top of the columns are not for this part. They ended here where I drew double lines. So here they don't have names. Below there they don't have names. After stock, what else? I saw debtors. Let me put debtors in advance and check the amount. How much is our debtors? Debtors is 7,000. So I'll go and put 7,000 there. 7 mula, 7 penny. Okay. Next, what do I have? I have to go and check what I have. So I have stock, overdraft. Bank overdraft is not an asset. It is the money that we borrow from the bank. So it is a liability to appear under current liabilities. So a debt I've entered, we have cash at hand. Let me go and enter cash at hand, 85. Cash at hand, cash at hand. How much? 85, eh? If I've not forgotten, it should be 8,500. That's our cash at hand, right? Of the thing. So if we go and explore, we see that we don't have any current asset remaining. We have stock entered, data entered, cash at hand entered, motor van is a fixed asset, it's entered, creditor is a current liability, rent received in advance is a liability, fixed asset fittings, a fixed asset already entered. So next, let's go. We are going to find the total of fixed assets or current assets. So we write here total current assets. So under total current assets, what do I have? I'll put it there in the second column. So I'll say equals sum, open bracket. These are, forget about this, they are just the Excel calculations, formulas. It shouldn't confuse you. You'll be using a paper, so you have to use a calculator. Me, I'm using this because I'm using a computer. Okay, so how much is it giving me? The 20,500 is the total of my current assets. Next, I'll say less current liabilities. Less current liabilities. Okay. Now, under current liabilities, what do I have? Let me go and check. Under current liabilities, let me check from the top to the bottom. I have got bank overdraft. Bank overdraft, as I said earlier on, it's the money that we draw from the bank. We draw more than what we have. So bank overdraft is a current liability. How much? Let me even go and check. Bank overdraft it should not be 35,000, it should be 3,500. Yes, I gave 3,500. So it's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. It should be 3,500. 3,500. So our bank overdraft is 3,500. We go and enter 3,500. I'll post here in the first column because there are more than one. If it was just one, I was going to post it direct here. So the 3,500 will come there. Okay. Next, let's go and check for another current liability. We have bank overdraft, cash at hand, motor van, creditors. We have creditors 2,500. So let's go and enter creditors. Creditors 2,500. Creditors 2,500. Creditors how much? 2,500. 2,500. Okay. Next, let's see another current liability. We have rent received in advance. This is the money we have borrowed. It's more like borrowing. Our tenant has paid us in advance. So rent received in advance is a liability. So we go and write here rent received in advance. Rent received in advance. How much? Let me check the figure. Rent received in advance is 1,500. So we go and enter 1,500 there. Blah 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 1,500. which is giving us how much? So let's find total current liabilities. Total current liabilities. Total current liabilities. So to find total current liabilities, we are going to add all these current liabilities, which is going to be equals sum. Don't worry, as I said earlier, I'm using Excel. So I'm using formulas in Excel plus, or just say 2, this one, and I even put close brackets, then I find. So my total current liabilities is 7,500. 7,000 how much? 500. I even underline it like that. Just as I should underline this one, just as I should underline this one. Yes. So that now I found the working capital. Now, you know that our working capital is a difference between total current assets and total current liabilities. So we have total current assets as 20,500 and our total current liabilities is 75. Our working capital is going to be, so working capital is also called net current assets. So it's going to be equals, we find this one minus this one. It's giving us how much? What is our net total current assets is 13,000. It is 13,000. So this is our net current assets, or the working capital, 13,000. The next thing, what are we going to do? We are now going to add, this one should be added to our total fixed assets. They are on top, this one. So it should be this one plus that one. This one plus that one. Okay. So we go there and say equals to H9 plus, we are adding plus this one. Is giving us how much? Okay, it is saying no, the space is too small. Yeah, I've increased it and it's like that. So that is our net asset. When we add working capital to the fixed assets, what we get is called the net assets. So that is our net assets. I'll even double underline it. I'll double underline it so that it looks, it is identified as the answer. So guys, that's how you are supposed to do your work. So you were supposed to improvise your own name of the business, the date, and then enter like that. Unless there is a question, otherwise, have a blessed day. Thank you very much.